This is Jonathan, and today I'm checking out this new tool called TrailPik. And this is kind of like a pipe cleaning looking tool. It comes in multiple shapes and sizes for different parts of your bike. And usually I'm a park tool kind of guy, but this kind of grabbed my eye because it does something a little different than your typical surface cleaning. It gets down deep and dirty. And as you know, to get into a drivetrain, to get down to those places where it's hard to get, look at that, all the way against the inside of that cog, pulling stuff out. It's difficult to do. Now, my biggest pet peeve is when I go for rides with a bunch of buddies, and it's always that guy in every group whose bike breaks down like every other ride. And you know exactly what I'm talking about, because if you don't have that guy, guess what? You're the guy. And the issue is, you spend all this time getting your gear on, getting to the trailhead, making time with your significant to have a little bit of me time, and you're out 15, 20 minutes, and boom, your drivetrain blows up, right? And that guy's chain is broken in 3 different places. He hasn't cleaned it in 3 months, let alone lubed anything, and you don't want to be that guy, all right? Trust me, because you're going to get dropped off the text chain pretty soon. You can be like, oh, no one's texting me to go riding. I wonder why. Well, because you're not using this tool. This tool is going to make sure that you're not the guy left out of the rides, because you're going to clean your drivetrain. It's super simple. It only takes a couple minutes, and guess what? It works, all right? So buy this tool. Don't be the guy, and keep on riding. I'm Jonathan, reviewing TrailPik.